Ever been in a situation where a project is going smoothly, but client communication keeps throwing everything off? Maybe it's endless email threads, misunderstood requirements, or updates that never quite reach the right people. Now imagine if there was a way to make client communication as smooth and seamless as the project itself. That's where AI steps in. In today's video, we are going to explore how AI can improve client communication in project management, making sure everyone stays on the same page and projects run smoothly from start to finish. Stick around, because this could be the game changer your projects need. Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Chair. If you're new here, I'm Rohit, and on this channel, we're all about helping you master the art of project management. Whether you are managing small projects or leading complex ones, the key to success often lies in effective communication, especially with clients. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips and tools to take your project management skills to the next level. Now, let's jump into today's topic: how AI can make client communication smoother, faster, and more effective. Story: the challenge of client communication. Let me take you back to a situation I encountered a few months ago. I was working with a project team that was managing a huge software development project for a new client. Let's call them Team Innovate. The technical side was running smoothly, but the client communication, not so much. Every time they sent a project update, they had to sift through a mountain of emails to figure out which questions had been answered, which issues still needed attention, and which team member was responsible for what. It was overwhelming, and as a result, client updates were either late or unclear. The client was getting frustrated, and the project was at risk of spiraling out of control. That's when they decided to try something different. They integrated AI into their communication workflow. So, how did AI change things? Let's find out. AI for automating routine updates and reports. One of the first improvements Team Innovate saw after integrating AI was in automating routine updates and reports. Previously, sending client updates was a tedious, manual process. The team had to pull information from multiple tools, emails, and notes, often spending hours to compile and summarize what had been completed, ongoing tasks, and any issues. This approach was time-consuming and prone to miscommunications. Important details could be missed, or updates were inconsistent. With AI, this process became much more streamlined. The AI system integrated directly with their project management tools and automatically pulled the latest data on project tasks and progress. It then generated clear, concise reports covering all key points, such as completed tasks, outstanding issues, and upcoming deadlines. Now, instead of scrambling to prepare updates, the team could simply review the AI-generated report and make any final adjustments before sending it off to the client. This meant updates were more consistent, timely, and accurate, saving the team valuable hours. Clients appreciated the regular, transparent communication, which improved their confidence in the project's progress. By automating routine reports, AI helped Team Innovate ensure nothing slipped through the cracks, transforming a time-consuming process into a smooth, efficient workflow. If you think automating routine tasks like this could save your team time, don't forget to like this video and share it with your colleagues who might need this tip. AI for predictive analysis and proactive communication. Another area where AI shined was predictive analysis. Imagine being able to spot potential delays or issues before they even happen and communicate that to your client. That's exactly what Team Innovate started doing. The AI analyzed data trends and could predict when a task might run late or if there was a risk of missing a milestone. The team could then proactively communicate these insights to the client, along with a proposed solution, before it became a problem. For example, halfway through the project, the AI flagged that a particular phase was progressing slower than expected. The team was able to reach out to the client immediately, explain the situation, and offer a plan to catch up. This proactive approach reassured the client, built trust, and ensured there were no unpleasant surprises. I've already created a detailed video on how AI predictive analytics can prevent project failure. If you'd like to check it out, simply click on the I button above. But that's not all AI can do. Let's look at how it handles client inquiries. AI chatbots for instant client support. One of the most frustrating things for clients is waiting for answers, especially when they have urgent questions. Team Innovate was no stranger to this issue. Clients would ask questions, and sometimes it would take hours or even days to get a response because the team was busy juggling multiple tasks. To solve this, they implemented an AI chatbot. The chatbot was trained on all the project details, facts, and past communications. Now, whenever the client had a question, they could ask the chatbot and get instant answers, whether it was about the project timeline, task status, or even who to contact for specific issues. Of course, if the question was more complex, the chatbot would flag it and notify a team member to handle it. But for the most part, it took care of the routine inquiries, saving the team's time and keeping the client informed 24/7. I've already created a detailed video on how AI chatbots enhance client communication. If you'd like to check it out, simply click on the I button above. If you're loving these AI solutions, make sure to comment below on how you would use AI in your projects. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this. AI for sentiment analysis and feedback interpretation. Finally, let's talk about AI for sentiment analysis. Sometimes, even when clients say everything is fine, there might be underlying concerns or dissatisfaction. Team Innovate used an AI tool that analyzed the tone and sentiment in client emails and feedback. For instance, if the client's messages were starting to show signs of frustration or impatience, the AI would pick up on it, even if the client wasn't directly saying it. This allowed the team to address potential issues early, set up a call, and clarify misunderstandings before they escalated. There was a moment when the AI flagged that the client was getting frustrated about the pace of progress, even though the updates didn't explicitly say so. The team scheduled a quick call, listened to the client's concerns, and reassured them with a clear action plan. By the end of the call, the client was back on board, and the project continued smoothly. So, what's the big takeaway here? Conclusion. So, there you have it. AI can significantly improve client communication in project management by automating routine tasks, offering predictive insights, providing instant support, and even interpreting client sentiment. For Team Innovate, it turned what was once a chaotic, stressful part of the project into a smooth, well-oiled process that not only kept the client happy but also kept the project on track. If your team struggles with client communication, consider integrating AI to help bridge those gaps. From automated updates to proactive issue management, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips for making your projects run smoother. And hey, if you've got any questions or want to share your experience with AI in project management, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.